let's get this out of the way. ChatGPT is changing the game of Etsy and print on demand. Not a little, a lot. What used to feel clunky, generic, and honestly kind of exhausting is now becoming one of the most powerful creative tools for Etsy sellers, if you know how to use it right. Now, if you're like most people, using AI as an Etsy print-on-demand seller sounds amazing until you're 45 minutes into a list of 100 ChatGPT prompts and you're still getting results that feel like they were written by a robot who's never met a niche. It's a lot. I know. AI is everywhere right now, and it sounds like everyone has it all figured out. Like they're over there automating their dream business while you're just trying to figure out if you're supposed to prompt, paste, or pray. Meanwhile, you're drowning in phrase lists that read like the 10,000 other Etsy sellers that have already used them, design templates that feel like they'll never make sense for your niche, and image generators that keep delivering haunted doll energy. But here's what no one's really saying out loud. AI isn't magic. It's not going to swoop in and save your shop. It's only as good as the prompts you bring into it and the strategy you use to pull ideas out of it. And here's the thing I firmly believe. AI is not about trying to outsource your creativity. We're not trying to let a robot run your business. I hear you. You just want to stop spinning your wheels. You want to brainstorm faster, design stronger, and scale smarter without drowning in templates and second-guessing every next move. And that's where I believe AI can actually shine. AI should never replace your creativity. It should enhance it. It should help you spark fresh ideas when you're feeling stuck, explore new angles you hadn't considered, and move from inspiration to execution faster and with more clarity. The trick isn't using AI to take over, it's using it to co-create. And that starts with better input and better direction. That is where things get exciting and exactly where I want to take our conversation today. So if you've been curious but cautious, keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using AI to elevate what's already working, streamline what used to take hours, and actually create with more intention, not less. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Mandy, a busy boy mom and active top 1% seller on Etsy. I've spent years learning what works, and so now I am on a mission to help creative entrepreneurs like you feel confident in growing your Etsy business with print on demand so that your products can get seen, loved, and sold without the overwhelm. Now, you've probably heard something like this before in the print-on-demand world. You need a connection to your niche. Your designs should spark something in your customer, make them laugh, feel seen, or instantly think, OMG, this is so me. Yes, hi, it's me. I'm the one telling you that because this approach works. It's the foundation I use to create bestsellers on repeat. But let's be honest, that advice, while true, can still sometimes leave you staring at a blank camera screen or empty ChatGPT prompt box thinking, cool, but how do I actually do that? Most sellers, myself included, have typically started with what I call the prompt and template loop. You ask ChatGPT for phrases or niche ideas, you dig through design templates from one of a million tools, which, don't get me wrong, I use them too. There's just so many of them now. And you try to mash it all together in a way that hopefully works for your niche. And after all that effort, what you're often left with is something that you hope is decent, but sometimes maybe not deeply connected to your niche or customer identity. Not something that really speaks to your customer in a way that feels specific or scroll stopping. That's because what's sometimes missing isn't creativity, it's clarity. Clarity in how to bridge the gap between a design concept and the niche it's meant to serve. And that's exactly where ChatGPT has some superpowers. Because when prompted the right way, it can do some of the heavy lifting, like helping you translate broad ideas into specific niche connected concepts that actually will sell. It has the depth, the language, the cultural context, and with the right input, can help you move from inspiration to execution so much faster. And that's exactly what I've spent the last year dialing in and mastering, learning how to ask better questions, craft more specific prompts, and use AI as a strategic co-creator in my business. Most remarkably, ChatGPT's latest model update at the end of March has, quite frankly, had the biggest impact by far. With ChatGPT's new image generation, the game truly has changed. Now I can upload a design reference and tell ChatGPT, based on my research that I've already done on finding a niche and incorporating different design styles, right? Take this best-selling layout and turn it into a design for a respiratory therapist using a monochromatic purple floral palette on a clean white background, and actually get something I can use. Not a ripoff, not a stock copycat, something new, niche specific, and aligned with what my customer would want. Not a copy. I think we can all agree this looks nothing like the original, but was inspired by a particular style that's on trend. Not a template with a different font, but something that captures the essence of a proven design and transforms it into something that's now mine. I've also been able to give it very specific prompts based on a design reference to go from trend inspiration to niche infused designs, such as this silly goose trending design brought together with teacher elements, or even a bachelorette spin. Similarly, I took this floral kindness bestseller to a whole new level for teachers. What once had no real customer identity behind it is now landing with a strong connection to an ideal buyer. Or even this newly in-demand Feral Mother's Day concept translated into a Father's Day worthy design. Every single one of these were generated in ChatGPT. And this is just the beginning. ChatGPT also gives us much more accurate, relevant insights to shortcut our research on different customer identities, but only if you know how to ask. Here's an example I love to use. Please give me 20 snarky t-shirt phrases that only a math teacher at the end of the school year would understand. Boom. Specific, dialed in, sellable. So even if I don't want a more complex design like before, I can now use this to make a text-based design that truly connects with my niche. Or take one of those other designs and add a new phrase spin to them. It's not about using every single idea that ChatGPT gives you. It's not perfect. It's about creating sparks of inspiration and creativity that you can actually use and take action with instead of feeling stuck. ChatGPT can then also help me scale ideas I already know are working, such as spinning off a best-selling teacher shirt into phrases for sub-niches like special ed or homeschool. It can help me find some new lingo that will resonate more specifically with them. Or cross-niching ideas like book club plus introvert or bachelorette plus pickleball social club, as well as researching what kind of language, humor, and tone resonates most in my niche. It's not about handing the wheel to AI. It's about having a really smart co-pilot that can take your initial concepts and amplify them. But let me be honest with you, as much as I love ChatGPT, I got really tired of starting from scratch every time or trying endless prompts that didn't give me any usable results. So instead, I started creating custom bots that are specifically designed to take on a lot of the heavy lifting. Last year, I released my free niche creator bot that many of you have used to spark new ideas and connect with your niches, and it's still available for you to use completely free. And now I'm excited to introduce you to a whole squad of what I call BizBot besties that are quite literally changing the game for my community. Their words, not mine. From SEO to niche strategy to scalable designs that actually bring new value to the marketplace, every bot in our squad of besties was created with specific training from me using the exact same principles I used to grow my Etsy print-on-demand shop to multi-six figures, and now combined with a few extra superpowers from AI. They are specifically built to help you brainstorm faster, design stronger, scale smarter, and most importantly, spend less time spinning and more time creating products you're actually proud of and excited about. Because they enable you to do things like ask for niche-specific help from Nina, upload a design reference or trend to Danny or Tess, and get usable design prompts with a niche twist. You can also scale ideas with Sammy for adjacent or sub-niche suggestions and then get tailored advice based on my own six-figure scaling methods. You can also optimize your listing and SEO flow with Stella and Luna, or plug in whatever's overwhelming you and get personalized guidance on how to move forward and get unstuck with Penny. They're like my brain, but faster and with some very targeted AI sparkles. And they're ready to help you turn your scattered ideas into something polished, strategic, and aligned. And more importantly, they take the heavy lifting out of your creative process while still leaving you in the driver's seat. Here's a real example of how I use them myself. Danny helps me generate creative, niche-connected design prompts based on a reference design, similar to what we saw earlier. But since these are in prompt format, you get even more control over the output. Danny just helps you generate some initial ideas faster. Remember those designs earlier where I used prompts to generate the designs in ChatGPT? They all came from our dear friend Danny. I take that prompt and plug it into image tools like Ideogram or back into a regular ChatGPT window to take advantage of that newly advanced image generation. I use Stella for SEO. She helps me with optimized long-tail keyword titles and tags, still based on the research that I've done and given her for my products and niche. When something starts performing well, I go to Sammy, who helps me figure out how to scale into sub-niches or double down with variations. And when my brain feels like it's juggling flaming to-do lists, I check in with Penny. She was trained on all of my productivity and time management methodologies. Penny helps me organize my week, prioritize my tasks, and avoid some of that shiny object syndrome. She keeps me focused and intentional so I actually get things done. From idea to design to listing to scaling, all with the help of these bots. It's cut my workflow time in half and gives me 10 times more clarity and inspiration for my shop. And just like that, my workflow is faster, clearer, and honestly, way more fun because I've given them all a little extra personality. And the best part, it still leaves plenty of room for my own creativity in the process. I'm not handing things over. I'm partnering with tools that help me thrive. If prompts and niche exploration are more your speed, I've included the free links that I have for you below. And if you want to try my new squad of print-on-demand besties, I'm officially making those available to you now as well. If you're already a member of Simply Thrive, good news, this AI-powered group is included and current members already have full access to all 7 of the current bot besties. But if you're not a member and not quite ready for the full course or coaching experience, or you simply don't need it and just want access to the bots and design prompts, you can access the Bot Squad on their own while still connecting with a collaborative community that's enjoying diving into Etsy print on demand with AI as much as I am. I started a brand new low-pressure community over on School just for creative entrepreneurs who want to start using AI to move faster and create smarter for their Etsy print on demand shop. I gave free access to School for any of my current members interested, and many are already in there taking action and getting great results. I'm also dropping in weekly design prompts, niche examples, and practical ways to use the bots in your shop. And yes, right now, it's literally less than the cost of that latte sitting next to you, but it won't stay that way forever because these aren't generic bots that sound like a robot. They're infused with my own strategy, trained with purpose, and built to help you stop second guessing, start getting inspired, and create with more confidence, clarity, and fun. These bots aren't listed on the ChatGPT marketplace. The only way to access them is through one of my groups. And more bots are already in training based on feedback and requests. So if you join us now, you're getting in early and getting access to the exact tools I wish existed when I was scaling and growing my shop. Here's what I want to leave you with though. AI isn't going anywhere, but instead of resisting it or feeling like it's just one more thing to learn, what if you approached it differently? What if you used it to support the work you're already doing, to bring your ideas to life faster and with more impact? Whether you join my group or not, I want to encourage you to explore how AI can support your business because you might be surprised by what's possible when you start using it with intention. Remember, AI shouldn't replace creative business owners, but creative business owners who use AI intentionally, they're moving faster, growing smarter, and having more fun doing it along the way. Let AI be the spark and let your creativity be the fire that keeps it going. I hope this gave you some fresh perspective and maybe even a few light bulb moments about how you can start using AI to actually support your business instead of overwhelm it. If it did, be sure to tap the like button and subscribe for more practical, no-fluff strategies to help you grow a thriving Etsy shop with print on demand. And if you're ready to go deeper to simplify your workflows, get clarity on your niche, and use tools like the ones I shared today to enhance your productivity, check out the links below. I'd love to help you get your products seen, loved, and sold. Now go take what you've learned, bring that energy back to your shop, and keep taking action. Thanks for watching. I'm so glad you're here, and I'll see you in the next one.